Alrighty, g'day little deck chair legends. Here's video number 2. Okay, so click on the screen, just anywhere on the screen, and all this should appear if it's not already there. And we want to control click on our name, and we want to create a new component. And we click on new component, and it will ask us for a name, and we're going to call it back legs. Very complicated. And we hit OK. And it now appears up over here. Alrighty, first button we need to press is commence sketch, create sketch. Away we go. And these 3 little cool rectangles will appear. Squares even. And the one we are looking for is the one that runs when you don't have your cursor, when you have your cursor down here, whether that's blue or not. If your cursor's just down here, we want that one. So we'll click on that. And it goes into this view. And hopefully your box up here says the word right. Okay. And so we're going to go, and now that we've created sketch, these tools have changed. Click on rectangle. Or you could go create rectangle. But it's one of my main ones. But if it's not there, it's in there. 2-point rectangle. Click here. Right in the center of the center, it'll lock on, and then head up and to the left. Don't click again. I want to keep that blue number blue. If you click, it drops it. Don't click. Keep it alive. And simply, where that blue highlight is, for me, it's 60. If for some reason your bottom one's highlighted, you can hit tab to change the highlight, but we want that one highlighted. And we just start typing the word width. And I didn't have to get far. And now I can click, I can hit enter for that. And then I hit tab again, and it'll take me down to that one. And I start typing the word thickness and hit enter. Okay. And now we have a width by a thickness rectangle. And I will hit enter once more. And there that is. Okay. Now I want to press the E key. Press the E key. It's not going to be up there. E for extrude. Press E and it will turn to that view. Okay, E is for extrude. And we're going to grab that arrow, going to click and start pushing it that way, and then we can take our finger off the mouse and hit the tab button till that goes blue. Doesn't matter what number you've stopped that at, but as long as you're going in that direction, and now you have that first box blue, we want to change that to negative 1250, and then we hit enter, and it goes off the screen. The best way to get it back on the screen is run your cursor over to the little magic floating cube over here, find the tiny magic house, click on that house once, and it should all fit in. Okie dokie. Now we want to go back to create sketch, and it's going to ask us where we want to do it, and we want to make sure we are selecting that big long front face of the stick. Click on that and it should spin around for us. You may have to use this key to get to the end. I want to sort of see the end. Okay, and then I am going to draw another rectangle, and I'm going to put it roughly here. It doesn't matter where you are right now, as long as it will lock onto that top edge. And I'm going to click and drag it this way. And I'm going to start typing. I need to make sure that box is blue, not the top one yet. I want that one. And I start typing J-O, and I don't have to get that far. There's joint depth. I hit enter. And then I hit tab to get the top one, and I believe it's width. W for width. Hit enter. And then I hit enter again, and that should be 42 by 9.5. But the distance from there to the end isn't correct. I can zoom in a little bit just to make life a little bit easier. Okay, so I want to get it. I am going to select this tool here, Sketch Dimension. If you can't see it, it might be hiding in there, down there. You can press the D key to bring it up, or you can click on this. There we go, Sketch Dimension clicked. And I want to click on the end of my leg, and I want to click on there, and then I slowly raise my mouse up and I get a number and I bring it in line with the 42, and I hit, or I drop it, I click it to drop it, and then it comes up blue, and I want to change that number to 25 and hit enter, and now it should be 25 millimeters from the end. Now we are going to press the E key for extrude, and we need to go back to, that view. So we can see the end of it. We need to sort of see what's going on. I might move that a bit, and I might do a little zoom window so I can see what's going on. That's much better, or maybe another one. Okay, so let me cancel all of that. Oopsies. Bring it down to here. I'm going to finish the sketch. It takes me into this view. I am going to zoom in so I can see what's going on. Okay, I might do that again. Not digging it. One more time. Zoom in. Okay, and I press the E key to extrude, and it's going to ask me to select that wee square, and I've got to grab the arrow and push it, click it and drag it this way. Okay, and I can take it out as far as I want, but again in this blue section I want to start typing thickness. Okay, and it's gone the other way. Must be negative thickness. Negative thickness, enter, enter, and it chews that out. And that is the end of that video.